my name is Jackie Klebick. I've been a registered cardiac, vascular, and general sonographer for 8 years. I'm here today at National Ultrasound on a Mindray MX7 using an L12 3RCS linear probe. And today I'm going to show you how to use the iWorks. So iWorks is a protocol assist, and you can completely customize it. It's going to be on your touch screen up here. So we are in the lower extremity arterial preset, so we'll go with this protocol. And you see it come up on the right hand side of the screen and also on your touch screen. So it has us starting at the right common iliac, and again, you can customize how you'd like to start it. And it's going to automatically bring up your labeling, and then when you take an image, you save it, it's going to automatically go on to the next step. So we're going to scroll, and you can skip a step, you can pause it if you need to. So we'll go all the way down to our right PTA distal. So I'm going to click on that. Our labeling is going to come up, and this is just the 2D image. So if we get our 2D image and we can freeze and we can save that, then it's automatically going to bring up the next image, which was 2D then with color. So when we save that, it's going to go on to with pulse wave and etc. And again, you can customize it. If you need to pause it to take extra images, you'll look again here on the touch screen, just hit suspend, and that'll take off the labeling. And then if you need to resume it, it's going to be right in the same place that we started, resume iWorks. And then if you are finished and you'd like to just end, hit stop, we'll hit OK. And it'll take you back to your main screen to scan freely. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe for future content.